Hello and welcome to this edition of HydroGeek. So today I will demonstrate a certain feature of GIS software MapWindow, which is the open source software freely available in the internet, and it is similar to QGIS, ArcInfo, NV, and etc. People often debate that if there is QGIS, why MapWindow? Basically, I do not know because I have never used QGIS, as I am very much comfortable with MapWindow, and I have achieved all the GIS related objectives that I had encountered with the help of MapWindow GIS. Today's video is about how you can bring the OpenStreet or Bing map layer in the background of your GIS map, right? So because MapWindow has a feature by which you can bring or import the OpenStreet map layer server directly into your software, and all your digitized points can be shown in the map automatically. There is no need to do any other activity. But for this, first you have to open the MapWindow software. Then go to, this is the first and foremost thing, go to map projection, select WGS84. If you want to go more detailed, then you can select any of them also. But WGS84 itself is a good coordinate system. You can easily use that because it relates to most of the coordinate system of the world. Next step is that the moment you do it, you see OpenStreet map is showing here, but it will only show if you go to the tiles tab, then there you will find all the options available. OpenStreet map, open transport map, open humanitarian map, open cycle map, MapQuest, Bing hybrid, Bing satellite, all this. And you can also configure the tiles. I am not going into it. So here whatever map you will select, it will show in the background. Suppose if you select Bing, you see Bing is coming. You see, here it is. By default it will show the Atlantic Ocean, but you can change it as at your will. Let us say I am presently staying in Agartala, so let me bring you into this. Here is the Agartala. So this is for Bing. Same thing can be done for OpenStreetMap. I think OpenStreetMap is better compared to Bing. Okay, the resolution is better. Now the next step will be to bring the shapefiles that you have already created or will create. So for that you go to add layer. Then what you will see, bring point shapefiles or poly shapefiles, anything is of your choice. Point shapefile, click open. So please remember to always check that whether this coordinate is assigned or already assigned or not. Okay. So if the points are also assigned in WGS84, then it will not ask for any assigning of coordinates. Otherwise it will ask you. Then you can create some points here. So you go to the table editor and then click on it to open the table editor, and then click on add. They will say that as this was created earlier in a previous MapWindow instance, they will automatically show this message: the requested operation needs to change data. Do you want to start edit session? You see yes. After then you give the name. this. So what is this alias? Alias is whatever name, let us give it an alias of n. And you will find out soon that what is the difference between name and alias. So okay, so the name field has been created. Now as there is no point shapefile available, so let us create some points in this map. So for creating this, go to here, edit layer, and click on it. If you do not click on edit layer, it will not be editable. And then click on add geometry, and then just randomly you create. You see here n is coming. N is this name, right? So I have put on the point to the capital city Agartala. So write it as Agartala. Okay, next one, let us say Teriamura, this one. So write it as Teriamura. So basically alias is a smaller version of name, a smaller version of the field name, such that it can be shown in any type of this type of floating windows. Okay, so write it as Teriamura. So in similar manner you can goes on creating the locations and naming them. Okay, so you see, similarly you can just create Vishramganj, right, and create OK. Right, so now what I want to do is I want to show these names in my map also. So the most easiest of the method to show the labels or name of the locations in the map is go to the shapefile, click on labels, and in the label field write name, then click on apply. Remember to apply, otherwise it will not work. You see names are there. And this background design, I have used a white background with a black border. So this can be changed. This type of appearances can be changed. Then you have to, if you want to change the appearance, go there again, right click and go to properties. In properties there will be an appearance, and you can change the appearance here. Okay. Okay. So you see, now we are using this OpenStreet map at the background. I can also change it by going to tiles, and then I will click on MapQuest. So MapQuest is a foreign map server company, so I don't know whether they will have the resolution to show points in Agartala, which is a very lowly visual city. So I don't know whether they will show it. I think they will not. They are unable to show it. Okay. So let us return back to the original tiles, OpenStreet map, and here you see it is showing. Okay. So another map was created. So let them random. Right, and here it is there, so let it be. So let's again name it. We'll again name it. Go to level, name is already there. Just change again, name, apply, and OK. Okay, so the application random is also shown here. Now, if you want to, if you want to stop creating shapefile, then very OK. Go to here, and you see all the shapefiles are shown here on the map. So this map, I am saying that it can be changed. Move to tiles and go to the respective map available here.